Good morning, children. I am Kalyani, working as an English teacher in KZVV Chilakalurpeta, Guntur district. How are you, children? I hope you are fit and fine. Dear students, we know that due to the corona pandemic, our country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with schools, teachers, and the lack of education. So most of the schools of our state have started online classes. Students, you must utilize this opportunity for your bright future. Today I am here to address class 8th. Our first unit is family. Students, what is family? So family means what? Family is the basic unit of our society. Yes? Now we are spending our time with our family members. Parents, grandparents, auntie, uncle, children, all will live together and to stay together is called family. Yes? In the family we can find out love and affection, care and kindness. Children, each and everyone has a family. Yes? Each and everyone has a family. Here I have a poem about our family. I will sing a song about a poem about family. Mummy and daddy love me, grandpa and grandma love me. Mummy and daddy love me, grandpa and grandma love me. I love my brother, he loves me. I love my sister, she loves me. I love my brother, he loves me. I love my sister, she loves me. Mummy and daddy, grandpa and grandma, brother, sister and me. Together we make a family, a happy, happy family. Together we make a family, happy, happy family. Thank you. Students, our theme of unit is family. So we know every unit classified into 3 parts: reading A, reading B, reading C. Likewise we can see 3 readers. Reading A. Reading B. Reading C. Students, in this unit we can see A reading The Tattered Blanket, B reading My Mother, C reading A Letter to a Friend. Students, look at the picture. What do you find out in this picture? We can see 2 pictures. So what is the difference between these 2 slides? First one is nuclear family. Nuclear family means small family. What is second picture? We know second picture is joint family. What are the difference between these 2 pictures? In the first picture we can see only father and mother, children. In the second picture we can find out grandparents, parents, auntie, uncle, children. Yes, children. Now our first reader is the tattered blanket. The tattered blanket. So I would like to ask questions. Nowadays we can find out small families only. We can't find out giant families. Yes. So here we have a question. What kind of families do you find these days? What kind of families do you find these days? Yes, obviously we can find out small families only. We can't see joint families. And one more question is yours big or small family? Is your family big or small family? Yes? Students, our first reader is the tattered blanket. So our story is the tattered blanket. In this story, we can find out 4 characters. Mother, she is old. Gopi, he is an officer. Vimala, she is wife of Gopi. And the 4th one, Kamala, she is sister of Gopi, eldest sister of Gopi. Vimala is wife of Gopi. So these are the characters in this lesson. Before going to story, we have to know the character of this story. Okay, children. Before going to lesson, we have to know about author Kamala Das. Kamala Das is a Malayalam poet. He is the daughter of the famous Malayalam poet Balamani Amma and V.M. Nair. She is an internationally known poet, short story writer and a novelist who writes effortlessly both in English and Malayalam. She has received many awards for her literary work. Some of them are Asian Poetry Prize, Kent Award for English writing from Asian countries, Asian Word Prize, Sahitya Academy Award and Vailar Ramavarma Sahitya Award. This story translated from Malayalam by K.M. Sharif. Children, the tattered blanket means old or torn. Tattered blanket. The title of the lesson is a symbol to the life of old people. The people come weak as they became old. They can't listen, they can't see, they can't move freely. They depend on others even for small things. Children, let's hear the story. Okay, let's hear the story. Gopi works in an government office in Delhi. He has an old mother and a sister Kamala. Kamala lives with the mother in their village. Gopi mother became weak. She cannot see properly, but she remembers certain things well. Sometimes she forgets important things. Children, here we know the Gopi. Where does he works? Where does he works? He works in Delhi. So here we know about Kamala. Kamala is a widow. Students, look at the picture. After 5 years, Gopi came to Kerala to see his mother. We know Gopi is a big officer in Delhi. Yes, Gopi is a big officer in Delhi. He is living with his wife Vimala and children. He has come to Thiruvananthapuram as a part of his official assignment. Students, after 5 years, Gopi came to his country. Yes, he came to his village. Why to see his mother. We know Gopi is a officer in Delhi. Now he came to Thiruvananthapuram on purpose of office work. While he was going to Thiruvananthapuram, he dropped into the village, his own country. At that time, his mother was laying on an armchair. She is old. His old mother is living with Kamala, who is the eldest sister. Kamala is a widow. Here, we know his mother fails to recognize anybody. Already I told, old people can't see, can't listen, they depend upon others. Yes? So likewise, Gopi's mother also very old. That's why she can't recognize her son Gopi. But sometimes her memory is sharp. She forgets the present. But sometimes she remembers the past. When her memory is sharp, she asks about Gopi's letters from Delhi. She believes her son is studying. Her son is studying in school. Because she can't recognize, she lost her power of memory. So when she remembers past, she can ask about Gopi's letters. Does he writing letters? Then Kamala explains. Kamala tells lies to her mother. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is fine with Gopi and his wife and his children. They are fine. Here we want to find out, Gopi doesn't write any letters to his mother from Delhi. Now, he came to Thiruvananthapuram on official assignment, and he dropped at his village to want to sell his property. The mother does not recognize her son. She asks her son Gopi, who is our Amma? Where is she? What is her name? Likewise, she is asking questions to Gopi. Gopi is standing in front of mother, but mother can't recognize Gopi because she is old. So that's then mother asking Gopi, do you know my son? Do you know my son? My son also working in Delhi, doing job. He is an officer in Delhi. Do you know my son? If you meet my son, tell to him, send me a blanket, a red one. If you meet my son, tell him to send me a blanket because my blanket was torn. Children, mother can't recognize Gopi. She is old. But the mother has the picture of her son in her mind. Children, you have to understand. She can't recognize her son. But mother has the picture of her son in her mind. That's why she says to him, do you know my son? Is he in Delhi, a government officer? If you meet, send him a blanket. I have torn. See, look at this is the words spoken by mother. Once mother said, I had a blanket, the one he brought for me when he was studying Madras. It is all tattered now. Just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? Likewise, these words are spoken by mother. This is important for comprehension passage. Children, we have to know, I had a blanket. Who had a blanket? I means here old mother. I had a blanket, the one he brought for me when he was studying in Madras. He refers to Gopi. Children, we have to understand, I means old mother, he means Gopi. So it is all tattered now, just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket. Here him means Gopi, send me means old mother. So children, this is useful for a comprehension passage. What is the color of blanket? Red blanket. Here Gopi has come to home to ask a share of his property. Gopi came to his home to sell his share of his property. And Kamala knows it. Gopi not came for his family members, not for his mother. He came to sell his property only. Here, Gopi took more than 5 years to meet his family members. Kamala says, now Amma is 83 years, 83 now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. Now Amma, what is the age of Amma? 83 years old. I don't think she will pull on much longer. Gopi can't visit again. We know. Gopi can't visit again. Now he came for only share of his property, not for his Amma. Kamala knows it. So here Gopi says, but Amma can't recognize me. I came here, but Amma can't recognize me. Amma can't recognize me. Who I am? This is the conversation between Kamala and Gopi. The story ends with Kamala's questions to Gopi. Amma can't recognize because she is old. She lost her power of memory. She can't recognize you. Do you remember your mother? Do you remember your Amma? This is the question asked by Kamala. The story ends with the Kamala's question. Do you remember your Amma? Students, do you understand the story? The tattered blanket. The tattered blanket is torn blanket. The characters are Gopi, old mother, Vimala and Kamala. In this story, Vimala, we never meet a Vimala, a wife of Gopi, but just you can hear her name only. So nowadays, students, we are unable to find out love and affection in families. We have to develop moral values from family only. First, we want to develop moral values from family only. Students, after the lesson, we can see glossary. Tinna. Tinna means sit out. Tinna means sit out. Futile. Futile means unsuccessful. Futile means unsuccessful. Students, when we have about new words, then we can understand the story. Easily we can understand the story. That's why first you have to read. We have to know the glossary. Huddled. Huddled means held arms and legs close because of fear or cold. Huddled means held arms and legs close because of fear or cold. Reluctantly. Reluctantly means reluctantly means not willing to do something. Reluctantly means not willing to do something. Antos. Antos means busy, ready to work. Antos means busy, ready to work. Kesari Yogam. Kesari Yogam, this is Malayalam word. Kesari Yogam means well settled. Gopi has a Kesari Yogam. Gopi has a Kesari Yogam and Gopi settled well. Tattered. Tattered means torn. Our lesson is tattered blanket. Torn blanket. Children, after glossary, we can see comprehension questions. Answer the following questions. Why didn't the mother recognize Gopi and how did he feel? Why didn't the mother recognize Gopi and how did he feel? Why do you think Gopi didn't get anything for his mother? Why do you think Gopi didn't get anything for his mother? Third question. The mother could not remember Gopi. Do you think Gopi remembered his mother? What does it suggest? The mother could not remember Gopi. Do you think Gopi remembered his mother? What does it suggest? Fourth one. What is meant by the expression the tattered blanket? What is meant by the expression the tattered blanket? Students, here para is here for comprehension. I will read para. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from her veranda. Gopi, the man said. There was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. Who, Kamala? Who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Children, again I will read para. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. Gopi, the man said, there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. Who, Kamala? Who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. This is one of the para from our lesson. I will ask questions about on this para. Children, describe the man who was walking in through the gate. How was the man? Describe the man who was walking through the gate. How is it? The man was a bald, fat and a middle-aged man. The man was bald, fat and a middle-aged man. Next question. Who was Kamala? What do you know about her? Before going to story, I explained about characters of this story. Yes? Who is Gopi? Who is Kamala? Who is Vimala? Who was Kamala here? What do you know about her? Kamala was a Gopi's sister. She was a widow. Kamala was Gopi's sister. She was a widow. One more question for this comprehension passage. Where was Gopi coming from? Why did he go there? Where was Gopi coming from? Why did he go there? Gopi was coming from Thiruvananthapuram. He went there to attend a meeting. Yes? Gopi was coming from Thiruvananthapuram. He went there to attend a meeting. Students, another passage for comprehension. I will read passage. Look at the passage. Amma is often like this these days. She does not recognize anybody. Gopi's sister explained. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asked me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. What is the point of telling her? What is the point of telling her that you have not written for a year? Poor thing. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Students, I will read again this passage. Listen carefully. Amma is often like this these days. She does not recognize anybody, Gopi's sister explained. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asked me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you have not written for a year? Poor thing. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. Students, who is the speaker of this passage? Kamala is the speaker. So Kamala is the speaker of this passage. I got a promotion last year. I got a promotion last year. Who got a promotion? Here I means Gopi. Gopi got a promotion. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. See, he does not have a time to write a letter to his mother. Children, here I will ask questions for this comprehension passage. So, what is the problem with Gopi's mother? Children, do you know what is the problem with Gopi's mother? We know Gopi's mother suffers from loss of memory, but sometimes her memory is sharp. Yes, am I correct? Gopi's mother suffers from loss of memory, but sometimes her memory is sharp. Next question. What would Gopi's mother usually ask her daughter about? What would Gopi's mother usually ask her daughter about? Gopi's mother would usually ask her daughter about Gopi, his wife and children. Gopi's mother would usually ask her daughter about Gopi and his wife and children. Children, who is more affectionate with the old mother? Who is more affectionate with the old woman? Gopi or his sister? Who is more affectionate to? Gopi's sister is more affectionate with the old woman. Yes? Next question. Who would not dream of making the old woman unhappy? Who would not dream of making the old woman unhappy? Gopi's sister would not dream of making the old woman unhappy. Yes? Children, one more passage for comprehension. Look at the para. Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. It will be great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. Children, who is the speaker here? Gopi is the speaker. Delhi is the too expensive. You know, I have 4 children. Who had 4 children? Gopi had 4 children. I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. It will be great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. You means here Kamala. Who is referred to you here? You means Kamala. You will sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. These lines are spoken by Kamala. You will sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. Don't say that. I will come when I get time. Gopi saying these words. What he is saying? Don't say that. I will come when I get time. Children, I will ask a few questions about on this passage. Which place does Gopi works in? Which place does Gopi works in? Children, respond. Which place does Gopi works in? Gopi works in Delhi. How many children does Gopi have? How many children does Gopi have, children? Gopi has 4 children. Why did Gopi came to village? Why did Gopi come to the village? Gopi came to the village to sell off his share of family property and make money. Yes? Okay, very good. Students, I will give small assignments for you. Write about your family and what are the advantages and disadvantages of a small family. Children, this is assignment for you. I am saying again. Write about your family. This is the first assignment. Write about your family. And the second assignment is what are the advantages and disadvantages of a small family.